Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Sump is off the car after a turbo failure. Diagnosing the usual suspects with Saab, with a turbo failure. Oh, here comes my dog. Hello, dog. Usual suspects with Saab, like I said. Oil strainer blocking. As you can see, this one is totally blocked. Obviously this causes blockage, which fails to feed oil supply to the turbo, which can then screw your engine, basically. Luckily there's no knocking, hopefully, touch wood, from what I could see. But this is what happens. Look at that. That is at the bottom of an engine that's got full Saab service history. It's a total disgrace. General Motors should be ashamed of themselves for this design. But as you can see, there's actually a hole in the strainer itself. So something so big has gone through it. Actually, on the plate that covers the strainer, you can see bits of plastic. Now obviously the breather pipe's collapsed, and this then feeds in to the engine, which causes major problems. It's a bad design from Saab. That's all I could say, really. But I always think that it's sort of Saab's fault anyway, because they screwed up on the service intervals. I think that if this was a car that had had regular 6,000 mile service intervals, it would be a lot better. I mean, just look at that there. I do not know what that is. If I saw that in the street, I would cross the road and walk away from it. What do you think, dog? Do you think the same?